Hi ladies, Andrea Tarowski here again. So this isn't a meal class per se for this one, because I'll be showing you guys how to use our amazing berry basil rim trimmer. So if you were like me, when I heard we had something like this, I said, what is a rim trimmer? What is that, you know? But this is that fun thing that you will add to your cups to make it just look that much more special. I'll show you guys. So it kind of looks like this. See that? So this is just something that we have that just makes your cocktails, your drinks that much more exciting. And there's only 1 gram of sugar. If you go to the store and look for the other rim trimmers that they have, there's at least 3 times as much more sugar. So we do everything a healthier way, okay? Now the cocktail that I'm making today isn't exactly healthy, okay? I'm just putting it out there, but sometimes we all need a little treat, okay? We do. So I'm going to be showing you guys with our mini appetizer plates. This was a host exclusive a couple months ago. They will be back, I'm sure of it, because everybody loved these plates. I was so excited to get them. So a host exclusive means if you host a party, a qualifying party, the minimum that you need are 4 paying customers, and if they buy 1 thing each, that's fine. And the whole party has to equal to about $250 in sales, which is easy because when it comes to Epicure, yes, we have a low price point, but everything's healthy. We all have to cook, or, you know, healthier. We do have some products with, of course, sugar and sodium in it, but it's a lot less. And we all cook, right? We all have to prep, we all have to cook, we all have to do all of this. So it's quite easy for at least 4 people to together spend $250. And if they do, you take part in our monthly hostess exclusive, which this was one of them. And you got these 2 amazing cups, and there were a few other products included in there too. But we don't have to talk about that because that's not a host exclusive now anyway, okay? So depending on when you're watching this, there will be another hostess exclusive, so pay attention. But okay guys, so let me just show you a very easy way how to do this, okay? So you just take your rim trimmer on a cute little plate or whatever that you have, and you just load it up. I think I gotta mix it up a little bit. Take a spoon if it's become solid a little bit, and just kind of mix it up like that. Mix it around your plate here. Okay, like so. Oh my gosh, it kind of looks like a shape of a heart. I did not do that intentionally. Okay, and take like a lemon, lime, whatever, and just kind of rim your glass like this. Okay, and do that quite a bit so that way you get more of a rim trimmer on there, right? So you want to do this first before you put anything in there. Yes, it seems obvious, but I've seen people put their cocktail in there first and then go, how am I supposed to rim my trimmer here, or trim my rim, whatever. So do this first, okay? Take your plate, and that's all you gotta do. Just, whoops, as I'm spilling it. But so let me do this on the floor, or sorry, on the counter. So see how I'm just kind of doing that? And I think that looks pretty special. And then, and it takes a few tries, okay, you guys? So just kind of mix it in. Whoops, I'm spilling it everywhere. Look what I'm doing. Anyways, that's okay. It's still early, right? And then take the sides of the cup, rim it even more. Because why not? Look how nice that looks. And then, okay, so I do have some options for you. So what I did again was, all you have to do is look at the recipes, you guys, on epicure.com. We have tons of them. So I'll show you guys how to do that. So all you do is you head up to shop. So shop is right here, or I'm sorry, not shop, cook. So click on, it's actually kind of hard to hold this. So click on cook, and then find recipes. So way up here, and sorry if it's hard to see that, and then this pops up, and then all you have to do for this one is I just typed in my product. So the berry basil rim trimmer, click, search, and then it will show you guys how to use the product. So I just kind of clicked on the first one here. You have many options. See that? But I am going to make this even easier for you guys to just kind of help you guys use what you have on hand. Now, this may sound silly, but I actually like lemon and tonic. It's not something I have every day because tonic has tons of sugar in it. Okay, you guys, I'm not even going to tell you. I'm going to tell you, but okay. So it's 21 grams of sugar. So obviously that's a lot, right? But if you go to the store, to the LCBO, to whatever, if you look at their sugar content in some of their mixed cocktails, it's at least 600 grams of sugar or something, right? Tons. So I prefer to have 21 grams of sugar versus 600 plus, right? So yes, it's not healthy, but it's a healthier option. So what I like to do is I just like to add tonic and lemon. Yeah, you guys. So something really simple. So using my amazing ceramic, you guys can't see that, can you? My amazing ceramic Epicure knife here, I'm just cutting up some lemon. That's it, because it looks nice. I'll take it a step further and squeeze the lemon in there too. You could even use this thing again if you want. It's amazing. I just add my lemon in there. That's all I do. That's all I do. And I put the tonic. You could add alcohol to it too if you want. It's just I actually don't drink a lot. For special occasions, that's it. So I'm not adding alcohol. Plus, it's too early for alcohol. And look how pretty that looks. Easy, right, you guys? And it's a lot less sugar than some of the other products out there. But I'm going to show you guys something else because I have 2 cups. So let's rim that again. With your lemon, lime even, you could use. Rim it a bunch as like seeds are falling in my glass because I picked up the wrong lemon with seeds in there, but that's okay. Let's just take that out and let's rim again. Let's rim the trim or trim the rim, whatever you want to call it. So here, I'll show you guys that again. There we go. So I am going to town here. I'm just rimming it up. See that? Just rimming it up, you guys. So putting a little of this stuff on your plate would easily work for a lot of different cups. So if you have company, whoops, oopsies. If you have company coming, if you're just simply serving dinner, serving this to your kids, to your husband, they'll be like, oh, wow, like, what are we having tonight, you know? But you know what, you guys, let's just make it simple. Again, a lot of sugar, yes, but still healthier than some of the other ones at the store. So this is my soda, it's cranberry, raspberry, ginger ale. I love this. I don't have it every day just as a treat because there's a lot of sugar in there. So just pick up a can of something exciting from the store, quick, easy, whatever, a lot cheaper and a lot healthier. Still not healthy, by the way. There's sugar in here, of course, but healthier and cheaper than having to go to the LCBO to pick up a pre-made cocktail, right? So what I did, actually I forgot to wash these, so one moment. Well, let me just rinse the blueberries here. Blueberries have a lot of antioxidants in them. So I like to add blueberries to my cocktails. I take a couple blueberries here, you guys. There we go, a couple blueberries. Put them in my cup. Sorry, you guys can't see that yet, can you? Put them in my cup. Add my cranberry raspberry ginger ale. And look how fun this looks. See? You serve this and people will be like, wow, look at you. Check these out, you guys. Nice, right? Again, I feel like I have to keep saying it because I always say that things are so healthy. Cocktails aren't healthy, but today we're talking about quick and easy and inexpensive, okay? Making your own cocktails is just fun. It's exciting, right? And it's a lot, it just looks nicer than if you were to buy a pre-made one from the store, open it up and give a bottle to your guests. It just looks nicer, right? So you need this. It's amazing. And I'm sure we will have new ones coming out in the summertime. Look how pretty these are. So I'm home alone, so I'm going to have these myself. But there's no alcohol in there, so I can do that, right? It's like what? What time is it? Like 10:30. Yep, I can do that. So if you guys have questions, let me know. Just making sure I didn't forget anything. But yeah, some easy cocktails for everybody. Thank you so much for watching. See you very soon.